Hello everyone, my name is Heather Clark, and for my technique demonstration I am going to be using the calming glitter jar technique. This is actually a technique that I have actually utilized myself in the past, so therefore when I saw this in the first week of class I was very excited to get to utilize this technique. So this technique is pretty easy first to make the object, and it utilizes being able to focus on an object and allowing you to use breathing in order to help you focus and to allow that parasympathetic nervous system to not be in a state of arousal and to kind of calm down. And even if you're not able to focus or you have a point where you lose your focus, it allows you to kind of get back into focus. So I'm using a jar that I have previously made. It kind of has a personal touch, which kind of gives me another aspect that allows me to kind of be calm. I'm not going to shake it at the moment because it kind of does take a while to go back down. So I don't want to have it be unsettled for the demonstration. But as you can see, this is my jar here, if I can line it up with the camera. And my jar personally has a dragonfly on it. Dragonflies personally have a significant meaning to me. They were my mom's favorite, and she has passed away. So there are times when having that memory of my mom helps calm me down because I personally have anxiety. So therefore, when I get anxious, this is a very good technique. However, there are times sometimes when I'm anxious about my mom being gone, I can use the side of the jar that doesn't have the dragonfly, and I also have other jars that don't have a dragonfly. So if even having the dragonfly on the jar doesn't help, I can utilize other ones as well. I also think that this not only that I'm sorry that this technique is good for individuals with anxiety, but this technique can be good for individuals with post-traumatic stress disorder. It allows individuals that may have flashbacks or maybe have panic attacks due to, traumatic events. It allows them to have something that can help them focus. And with the glitter and the settling, it allows them to kind of shake it up, kind of like um, a sand jar with the kind of time capsule that you can keep flipping. And again, you can personalize it. You can make it a different kind of color. And I personally use glitter glue, so therefore the glitter in it, I use glitter and glitter glue, so that way the glitter has a little bit of a thickness to it, so therefore it does take a little bit longer to settle, so it kind of keeps your focus a little bit longer. But again, if it doesn't keep your focus, um, you can reshake it. I am going to show you some of the materials that I use, and use a water bottle to kind of show you how it's made. It's a very quick and simple process. Very quick and simple. It's even materials that you can even buy at the dollar store. So very easy on the wallet to make. So you will need warm water. So I have a water bottle of warm water that I just filled up prior to starting this video. Food coloring. I have chosen yellow because I have gold glitter and I have gold glitter glue. So we're kind of going to go with a yellow color theme. So what you'll do is you'll put the food coloring in the water, um, and really you can just kind of add as many drops or as little drops as you like, just to kind of depending on how much yellow you like or whatever color that you may like. And then you'll add the glitter glue. And again, you can add as much or as little of this as you would like. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to add the entire bottle. And then you'll add the glitter. And again, as little or as much as you would like. And then you'll just shake the bottle up and make sure the lid is tight. And as you can see, a lot of the glitter, it may, shake at the top. So you may have to shake a little bit. And if you want to adjust your color, if you want to adjust your amount of glitter, you can always add, put a little to start with, add more. So, again, you can even use this as your bottle if you don't want to use like a mason jar. On one of the demonstrations when I was looking up other examples of this, someone had used a glass water bottle, a Voss water bottle, which I thought was pretty cool because I like those water bottles. So you can even use this, and maybe you want to travel with one and don't want a glass jar. Just make sure it's a lid that's make sure it's a type of bottle that's not going to leak, especially if you're going to travel with it. But it's very easy to make, and it's something that you can definitely carry around, or if you work, you can keep in your office. That's what I like about it. It's something that I can keep in my office at work, and I'm able to shut my door and kind of take 5 minutes to myself if I need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up here, and I'm going to shake this jar, and I'm just going to walk you through. It's a real simple process. Just we're going to take a couple deep breaths. I'm going to let you watch it settle. And this is something, again, that, some people may need 2 or 3 minutes to kind of help them calm down and refocus. Some people may sit and do it for 15, 20 minutes. It may be something you can repeat throughout the day if needed. And again, it's something that you can, keep one at home, keep one in your office, keep one in your car, wherever you may be throughout the day. It's very simple. It's very inexpensive to make. So I'm going to go ahead and shake up the jar that I have previously made, and I'm going to be using for this demonstration. And then we'll take a couple deep breaths, and we'll have, some moments of silence, and we'll watch. We'll take some time to watch the glitter settle before the end of the demonstration. Okay? All right. So as you can see, for this one, I added a lot of glitter because I also like glitter. So that's another reason why these jars are very effective for me. So, all right. So deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. And focus. Just continue, to deep breathe and focus on your breathing. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. So, and as you can see, a lot of the fine glitter is still settling. However, a lot of the bigger glitter is still at the bottom. So this particular jar with the glitter glue and the bigger glitter kind of has 2 layers. So it allows you to kind of have different levels of focus. You can kind of look at the glitter at the bottom. You can keep going back to the top. And also, the dragonfly, if you don't necessarily want to focus on the glitter, you have the focal point of focusing on the dragonfly. Sometimes we need a certain point of something to stare at, a focus point, and maybe not just the entire jar, but maybe just that one object. So that is another reason why when I personally made this jar, I had chose to have a an object on it, not only for the significance of it to help me kind of have some good memories to help calm me down, but also to have a focal point. Um, and again, this is something that this will probably take another good 5 minutes to settle, because it does have the fine glitter in it. But again, if you like the thicker glitter, you just shake it back up. And as you can see, I'm sorry, it gives you the whole jar and it will again resettle. So this is something again that you can take with you. Um, you can continue to do. You can personalize it, make it any color that you want, mix colors. Just make sure that you have a tight lid, and you can definitely make it your own. And that's another thing that's what makes it so calm is you can personalize it. So I really appreciate you watching, and I hope that this technique is very helpful and that you're able to also add a personal touch to it to help you as well.